Well, I'm getting some stumps removed today, and this is who I called. Just a great guy and with a great company. So let's watch him get unloaded and get after it. All these nowadays are remote controlled. And that is a high-powered machine. It's 70, I think he said 72, 75 horsepower. He said it gets a little loud, and it is big loud. Boy, it's grinding that thing down like nothing. I had a stump grinder out once before, and it was a lot slower than this. His machine took a lot more time per stump. This particular stump is a elm tree that died about a year and a half ago. I cut it down when they were building my new fences after the tornado, and the guy tried to pick it from over the fence with a big excavator. Couldn't do it, so I cut it down. He grabbed a hold of it while I sawed it off and cut it down, and then he pulled it over the top of the fence. Now, I should have come back and cut it down a little bit closer to the ground, because, you know, when they grind stumps, these stumps are usually as close to the ground as, you know, maybe 6 or 8 inches. You're getting down there, getting deep. I like it. If you're not subscribed, let me just take this time to ask you to do so. Subscribe, ring the bell. Sure helps the content get on its way. He's going deep. He said he goes 6 or 8 inches deep. You know, kind of whatever the homeowner wants. But you know, you don't want the tree coming back, springing back up from the roots. I don't think this one would, because it died, but you certainly can, especially if you cut out a live tree. They can start coming back, springing back up, sending up shoots from the roots, and that's not what you want. So he goes way down, then you can come in. He filled it in a little bit, and or you can. I told him just grind, and I'd take care of filling in the gaps and holes and this and that with either with a hoe or with my tractor. Out in the pasture, I'm doing it with my tractor. And the grinding wheel is about 2 feet in diameter, probably, something like that. 18 inches to 2 feet. I'm not going to get that close to it to measure it right now. And if your ground is wet, it's soft, then those tracks will definitely leave some ruts, some marks, because it's just hard to, any kind of tracked machine is just hard to turn and to cut, you know, left and right without gouging and leaving some marks and stuff. You'll notice all that beautiful red clay I've got just under the surface. Everybody says I've got beautiful soil. Well, no, I don't. I made some beautiful soil out of compost and wood chips, but that's what my soil looks like right there. Got to get this one finished up. So this is a cedar stump on the bank of my pond. He is standing on the back side of one of my small pond there. If you hadn't got my free garden planner, you ought to get you one. It's completely free. It will help you get started good this year in the fall or next year. It's got some good information in it, so be sure and pick it up. And again, it's free for nothing. Free is mo better. At some point, I'm probably going to start charging for it, so pick it up now while it's free. This stump is on the front side of my pond, and he's getting it out of the way. This tree hung over the pond, and when the tornado came, it didn't hurt that tree, but I just wanted it out of the way. It's because the roots of those trees, that was an elm or a hackberry maybe, and the roots of those trees can get in the dam and can provide a way for the water to go out and cause a leak in your dam. So you don't want any roots, you don't want any trees close to your dam. So we're about to wind this up, and if you need a stump grinder in East Texas, I don't know how far he travels, but you can give him a call. Go back to the first of the video, and you can see the name and phone number and all this information and stuff. I'll try to leave it down below the video too. So check him out if you need any stump grinding done. And again, if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and do that, and we'll see you on the next one. And we're gone.